Hello viewers, this is R. Matthew, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a hand sanitizer pocket so you can take with you everywhere you go. Remember guys, this COVID-19 is not going anywhere, so get used to this. This is the new norm. We're going to have to carry the hand sanitizer everywhere we go and use it every time we touch something. So follow me.
Ready?
You want the top and the bottom to line up. Pretty straight. This will fit this bottle right here. I have 3 sizes. This is like 3.5 inch strip where you could insert this. These are spray bottles. This is the squeeze bottle, spray bottle, and another squeeze hand sanitizer. So get my iron hot enough. Okay, I think it's hot enough. I'll put this over it. Let's iron it on there. Okay, let's try. Okay. This over here, right up. Heat up, right up. Okay. It's on there like melt rubber. Okay, what you want to do is, now since you got that, you want to draw a line in it. Get yourself a pen. Make sure it's straight and parallel. Right there. And okay, that's where you want to cut at. You want to leave a little bit on both sides. Okay, there you have it. You want to cut it all the way through the bottom. Okay, there's your slit for your pocket opening. Let's see the bottle will fit. There you have it. What I like is have the lid sticking out like this, where you could put your finger in and pull it out. Don't put it all the way in and then you have to try to search for it. Same for this kind of like rectangle bottle. Leave the lid sticking out so you could pull it out. Okay, you have that. That's done for the outside. Let's go on the inside. Inside of your shorts or your Levi's. Now we're gonna make the pocket for it. Okay, I have this fabric here. This is a kind of like a little thick placemat. Got this at Target because there's no fabric store open right now. And it doesn't matter. This is what I want to use for the shape right here. So what I'm gonna do is just cut around here and somewhat like that. That's my pocket. I'm gonna show you guys. That's about right. Okay, let's use this so we get nice straight cuts. Okay. Okay, I couldn't use this spot and make a real nice piece, but it doesn't matter. You're inside the shorts. Nobody's gonna see this. Okay, there you have it. Okay. There, that's the opening. I want this. On both sides. Okay, say if this is the slit right here, and you put it in. Where's my bottle? This is my favorite one right here. Spray bottle. So it's about right. What I want to do is cut the iron strips. One for each side. I mean, it's not rocket science. You could do this. You don't need to learn how to sew. I was going to show you guys how to do it with the sewing machine, but it would be too complicated for anybody that never touched a sewing machine before. There you have it. That's what I'm doing right there. That will fit in there. Okay. Let me spray with some steam real fast. Okay, there you have it. You just, oh, it's not gonna stick that easy, huh? Okay, it's gonna be tricky. You want one right here. You want one right here. Put this on the bottom. This on top. Remember, your opening's right here. So don't put this iron on double stitchless backing. I guess that's what it's called. So you want to lay that right on top there. Just like that. Spray a little water or steam on it. Activate it. Get your towel. Lay it on top. And press it. Let's apply some pressure so it'll bond. Okay, that part's stuck. All right, it's on there. Let it cool. Okay, there you have it. Some shorts with hand sanitizer pocket. You can use any kind of different kind of leather, but I chose this white one. So here you have it. This way, if you don't have, if you don't have this pocket and you put this inside your pocket, and when you reach in there, your hand's contaminated, and you reach in there, you can contaminate your shorts. You reach in there and you contaminate your shorts. That's called secondhand contamination. So you don't want to do that. So say you're at the store and you touch the cart, the shopping cart. Now you just pull this out, your hand sanitizer, clean your hand and insert it back. This way it doesn't touch your pocket, your wallet, your phone, or anything. It's separate. And you need this leather here for strength, because if you don't have this here, it will sag. And there you have it, guys. Hope you guys like my video. Safeway. This is R. Matthews, and I just finished doing my grocery shopping. I've been touching the cart. So here we go. Here's what you don't want to do, is put your hand in your pocket and grab your hand sanitizer. So this is the trick. I get the hand sanitizer, I spray my hands, put it back in the cap, put it back in my pocket where it doesn't touch anything. Clean my hand, and there you have it. If your hand wasn't clean, and this is where I usually keep it, in my pocket. And every time when I grabbing it, I'm having secondhand contamination. Even if it's in your pocket, your back pocket, your hand's dirty, you take it out, you put your hand in your pocket to grab it, you're contaminating your pocket. So this is why you want to have a pocket away from you. Okay, leave a comment down below if you like this. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about it. All right, guys, if you like this, I want to leave a link in my description down below, so check it out. And so stay safe, peace out of harm's way. R. Matthews, I'm out of here.